One PRO versus one PRO player. One PRO player versus all players. Let's go. I think I'm gonna win in this game. This round. LB's gonna win. Haha. I'm win, bro. Ah, Isopidin has not been. No, do not big servers. Servers? Never mind, let's kill Numa. Before we start, one PRO player, me versus all rainbow monkeys. Oh my god, I need to join more. Why always dying? Why also not winning? Where should I go? Aha, here. There's the boss fight. So we can go into the boss fight. Let's go. Wait, 11:47 a.m. Runner? I'm a runner. It's not. I'm not a sauce. Okay. Run, 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 run. Run for their life. Touch me. Ha ha ha. Touch me. And I will kill it. Ha ha ha. Bye bye. I touch you now. Come here, little monkeys. Come here, my friends. But I'm not your friends now. Aha, I'm gonna go into the rope. I want to be a sus, but sorry, I'm not a sus. I just wanted to be a sus. I'm here, you guys. Wait, where's the other players? Oh, I saw him. Wait, are you going upstairs? But there's no enemy. Come here. Ha ha ha, I touched them all. Wait for me, guys. One PRO for all standard. No, no trend. I don't like that. I need Gorilla Tag, but mobile. Monkey Mobile. Sorry. Just shut up. Wait, it's not Hello Cute. PRO player. Bruh. I saw that enemy. I saw that enemy, but I'm not moving. But they not moving. Wait, wait. Bad thing. I saw that enemy. No, run. Before I die. For my life. Oh, what a freaking way. I don't like that. Hmm. This is a fart? Oh, oh, this map is already I owned. Never mind. This is happy. Happy. Jump. Wait, why did you do that? Lapomi. No, I don't like this Lapomi. Lapomi. Run. Start now. Let's go. Hey, wait. Where's the enemy? Oh, I saw him. He's flying. Run before my life has gone down. Run. By this hiding spot. Ever I see him. That's been jet down. Run. Run before I die. Do not jump. Jump. No. I said, freaking wait. This boat has no brain. Let's go in here. Please do not die. I said do not jump. But it automatically jumping. Run because that my wait, the old player has no idea how to climb. Wait, only 6 monkeys has founded. They are not shooting me. Ha, guys, you will not see me. Hide me. Wait, there are lasering, but I don't have in that. Do not laser me, please. Let's jump. Run before the life has. Bro, that enemies has been start following you. No, my friend. What the freaking wait? Are you stupid? Ah, no! You tag me. Pacific, come here. I get arrest. Come here. Let's go up in here. Go up in here. No gorilla tag. No. Blech. Never mind. Let's go as well. Starting again. Fisherman. Fisherwoman. No. I want to create a moon. Fisherman. Let's go. The game will start in 3, 2, 1. No, I don't know. Moosh. Like and subscribe, guys, and comment if you like this. Please like and subscribe, guys, to target the 200 subscribers. I need some trick. New trick has been allowed. No, it's lagging. What the They are lagging. This game contains lagging, bro. Why always not? Ha ha ha, you're the hunter. Me versus them. Jump! I will touch them all. Touch you, guys. Ha ha ha, they touching. Let's go. Ha ha ha. Stupid enemy has no idea. No idea how it. Oh, oh, Ohio. Welcome to my CBD toilet. Oh, oh, oh. Jump. Catch you. Ha ha ha. We win. Need to print this. Please after 1 minute. Stupid enemy has no idea. Only me can win. Oh, oh, Ohio. Never mind, let's go. But only 12 players amount. Okay, 12 only. 30, I will die. Bruh. No, I don't like giant. Run. No. Wait, there's a secret passage. There's a secret passenger. Oh, there's a secret passenger. No, it's not. It's over here. And if I jump on this, wait, what the? Me. Me again. This game is content easy for me. No jumping, guys. You will die, guys. Come here, red. Come here. Yo, I tag him. Come here, yellow. Come here. Yo, I tag him again. Come here, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Wait, where's the others? Where's the others? Aha. Contains here. No jumping. Die. If you jump, you will die. No jumping, I said. You will die. Ha ha ha. It's so many monkeys from me. This monkey is a lot of me. Wait, where's the one in? Oh, I saw him. Ha ha ha. We are so stupid. We win. Only 16 minutes. I found after 6 seasons, I'm still not the anymore. Never to nothing is a sign of evil. Absolutely nothing else to say anymore. Absolutely nothing else to say anymore. Absolutely nothing else to say before. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Absolutely nothing else to say anymore. Absolutely nothing else to say anymore. Absolutely nothing else to say before. I am the PRO player. Say hello, guys. Guys, we are not speaking. We hello, hello, hello. User one. Wait, 1,000,000. 100,000 for him. And for him. And for him. And for him. Like your skills. Get. Run, run, run before I die. Before we can die. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hello, 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 hello. User 1000. Wait, are you not speaking? Oh, we see. 3, 2, 1, go. Run, run, run. You first. You go first. Run, 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 run. Mm, I'm gonna die in this game. No, no, no. Satellites. Freaking way, this game is something harder than I thought. What the heck? They are not stupid. Getting me. Always defeating. I'm a PRO player. Oh guys, stupid. Run guys. You guys are so stupid. No, they're touching me. What the freaking way? Wait, I saw something, a red guy. Oh, I saw a green. I saw a green there. I saw she's here. She's over here. Wait, 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 wait. I'm lagging. Saw something. Come here, little guy. Come here, red guy. I'm not your friend now. You die. Ah, funny. Funny trick. You're so stupid. You're so more than stupid. I win. Kawasaki. Triple. Speedo. Kawasaki. Trico. Trico. Wait, there's more eye than you. No, no, we're not. Head. Mushroom. I don't have it. Only mushroom. Purchasing. This. Cutie. I say hardly every day. Running around. Very close, hardly every day. Let's go. Never mind, let's go, let's play. Wait, I saw a banshee. If you saw a banshee, you will die. Eliminated. All my players, all my friends has been joined me. All my friends can join this game. Wait, it's not a hello chick, but I am not. Hello poop. Hello poop. Hello poop. Hello poop. No. They are touching me. 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 1, 2, 3, jump. You. Wait, yes. Thank you for saving us. Bro, that player. Aha. Wait, where's the player? Oh no, they're tagging. Hello. Tag me if you can. I am a pass. ARO player. Pro player. No one can defeat me this game. No one player can defeat me. In this game. Contain. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. I'm on the top. They are so stupid. Why your enemies are jumping there? They're not chasing me. I think they are scared. Are you gay, bro? Bro, I am not a gay. You are a gay, bro. No. You said me like that, I will call Papa. Bro. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares you can do? You think I am a noob? But nah, I am a pro. Look at my skills. Jump. Ha ha ha. No one can beat me like that. At all time, no one. This guy disturbing me in the game. No, watch out. By this enemy. your PC also. Haha, stupid enemy. No, he's so fast. I am not, but I pass this game. Who can who can touch me in this game? I will give him. Oh, you will not touch me. No, they're tagging me. You're so cheater. You're the cheater. Cheater.